Gravity TB9 RI19. Capture the mode mixing. Increase the power.
Yeah, and I think it can sit there for a while and doesn't...
Yeah.
Probably.
Now it's going on 2 modes, 3 modes, and quenched.
Oh, yep. You may want to...
So now it's filling itself again.
Okay, I won't put it close to
Pretty stable right now. Are you running? Because I probably have to raise power. So tell me when it's running.
So
Now it's doing it.
That,
Okay, so reflected air just went off. Now. Let's see if it recovers on its own. There it is.
But when the power recovers, why it's...
No, I'm just optimizing phase here. Incident is stable, reflected is stable, transmitter is stable. Now the mode mixing is starting.
Well, it's official. I really think it's complete.
And it's going up. And there, quenched.
We captured enough.
Yeah.